Marcus and I are on our way down to Arctic Auto Styling, based out of Halton Hills. Gabe is the owner-operator. What a great young man. Love that he's an entrepreneur, and he's going to be taking care of Marcus's wrap. He does a lot of high-end vehicles. He's on Instagram, Facebook, and I believe he just started YouTube as well. So I'll put all his links in the description box if you want to see more of his work. Other than that, we'll see you guys when we get there.
Yeah, so this is what I was saying, like, see that haze?
Yeah.
We'll be able to fill that. The texture is going to be there.
Okay.
Right? The texture, without actually wet sanding that, respraying this whole area, the texture's, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
My paint correction guys they say, we can fix what's there, we can't add paint.
Yeah,
right? So.
And then there's one more on this side.
Yeah, so same thing. We'll be able to get the haziness. Some of that texture may be there, but it looks very minimal.
Yeah.
You might not see it under the wrap.
Yeah, are you guys gonna wet sand that?
Not so much wet sand. We're going over with the paint correcting, the buffing machine. So it's just gonna pretty much get the haze out without actually sanding, and then you would have to add clear coat on that.
Right.
That's a full body shop kind of gig.
Yeah.
We don't get too deep into the physical paint, but we can make it look a little more smooth.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in terms of gloss black roofs, obviously gloss black roof up here, and then just follow this piece here. So kind of gloss
the whole
black.
spoiler.
Yeah, gloss black, and obviously from here down, not opening.
Yep.
And then for the emblem wise, really just black it all out. Gloss black.
Gloss black?
Yeah. And then if you can, I don't know if you can, but would you be able to do that?
Little tin? Yeah, I can ask my guy that you can probably put it's a small little piece. We can probably put a little piece in there.
Yeah. And then some chrome pieces as well. Chrome it, black out this.
Gloss black.
Gloss black this, gloss black this, gloss black the bottom
lip.
And then if you can, take out the R if you can.
Okay, yeah.
If you can.
Yeah, it looks like it's just a little tooth in. We did an LDTT, it was really like the similar thing. It's just like a little tooth that goes in, and it's just kind of there.
And so obviously stay gloss black.
We had to get these specialty bolts for the mirrors, so just got the one mirror.
So is this wrap coming off? Or?
This is all paint. You can see the initial wrap was on right here.
So you peeled a wrap that was on it, and
so,
now you're gonna rewrap it.
Yeah, we already finished his Model S. Same thing with the matte white.
Ah.
So this is gonna be kind of matching. This is all wrapped already. The roof, right?
Gotcha.
So the roof, pillars, all that's done. The other side, we started kind of stripping it. It's a slow process. This had to get this piece off. Right, we got the carbon fiber piece off, and then
Gotcha.
on them here.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, well, that's a gloss black, and then we're gonna accent it with the matte white. A little piece on the
That'll look different. Cool, man.
And it's nice. It's the gated shift knob.
Oh yeah.
Everyone wants that.
Right on.
We got quite a few Audi, Volkswagen cars coming in.
Good.
We got this one. My buddy's bringing an e-tron in as well for a PPF this week. So.
Well, and you're gonna do you'll do some work on my
Your
RS3.
Well, RS3. You were saying your buddy's RS3.
Yeah,
so
he's gonna come down and see you as well. He's got a black RS3 that he wants to do light gray as well. So he's gonna come down. So. Last look of the Lapis Blue. Should be cool. It's gonna look nice. What do you think, Marcus?
I can't wait.
All right. Yeah, nice little shot. All right, that's it for today. We're gonna come back in a few days and check on the progress, and then we'll continue the video. We're back, and I'm just checking in on Marcus's wrap. We dropped it off on the Saturday. Today is Thursday morning, and looks like we're making some good progress. So let's go check it out. Trunk's looking, or the hatch I should say, is looking really nice. The side's pretty much almost done. It's got the roof, nice gloss black on the roof. Hood's done. Yeah, he's got a few days left of work, but he's doing good. It looks excellent. R8, last time he had starting on the white mat. That's where it's at now. Looking hot. And we got another one in line. What did you do on this one, Gabe, at the end? PPF or?
Full front end PPF.
Full front end PPF on that one?
Full protection on the front end against rock chips, all that stuff.
Looks really nice. Looks really nice.
Kind of that invisible look.
Yeah, exactly. Looks awesome. Thanks, Gabe. Appreciate it, man.
Of course. Getting her going.
Appreciate it. Marcus will be super happy. Finished product, looks good. Another one down. All right, we're back at Arctic Auto Styling here in Halton Hills, and Marcus is picking up his car. It's fully done and looks great. We'll do a quick walk around. He's just checking it out with Gabe, who's kind of hiding behind me right there. So let's have a peek. Really excited for him.
Nah, literally, it just, you take the grill out and then it's right behind. We did the same thing.
What do you think, Marcus?
Love it.
Like it?
Yeah.
I think it looks good. Even with those color rims, it looks pretty good. I think that VW badge looks really nice actually.
Honestly, I thought getting in like the round part is.
He's like, I missed my car.
You've been saying that this whole week.
I know. That looks nice.
I really like that black
What do you guys think? That looks different. I think it's from what Marcus has looked into, it's the only Nardo gray Golf R around, so it'd be pretty cool. Next plan is the rims are gonna go black. And that's a wrap, guys. Marcus's car is all done. Gabe from Arctic Auto Styling did an excellent job. Would highly recommend him to anybody looking to Raptor a car. Even his correspondence is excellent. He, kept sending Marcus progress pics throughout the progress. He was very open to us coming down and checking it out, and taking some video. Just great young man. Wish him all the best. And yeah, Marcus's car looks really sharp. I know he's super happy, and he's just got the rims to black out to finish the look. But other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox. Oh, it's not a DaFox hat, but you know what I'm doing.